If you want to travel around the world, it is very easy today. All you need is a plane, a couple of transfers, and a few $1,000s. But if you lived over 100 years ago, here is how you would do it based on the example of the famous characters of Jules Verne's novel. Phileas Fogg and Jean Passepartout made their journey around the world in 80 days. The journey began in London. By train, they crossed Europe and reached eastern Italy, where they transferred to a ship and sailed across the Mediterranean Sea to Egypt, Suez. This part took them 7 days. Then again by ship, across the Red and Arabian Seas, they arrived in India, Bombay. The voyage through India took 3 days, and the heroes even had to use an elephant to cross part of the route. Next, the characters traveled by ship from India to Hong Kong, and from Hong Kong, they proceeded to Japan. From Yokohama, the famous heroes traveled to America on a long voyage through the Pacific Ocean, and after 22 days arrived in San Francisco. By train, overcoming many difficulties, they crossed all of America and reached New York. There, they took a ship and crossed the Atlantic Ocean to the southern part of Ireland, and then returned to London, finishing their trip around the world and winning the dispute.